So a platypus is one of the most interesting creatures you'll ever come across. It has the body of a rat, it has the bill of a duck, and it's got a tail like a beaver. Sounds very strange, but it's one of the cutest animals that you'll ever see. Platypus in the Hills region are struggling. Their populations are declining from mass development and vegetation removal, but also from things like climate change. Platypus are slipping away without us really being aware. Having a healthy riparian zone is imperative for platypus populations to survive. So a bad riparian zone is one that is heavily eroded. A lot of invasive weeds will take over the banks, which won't be able to uphold the banks. You'll see a lot of sand deposition from erosion and high water flows. So upholding the banks is really important for platypus because they rely on the banks to create their burrows, which they use for shelter and also to reproduce. So that's where they lay their eggs. So it's really important that they have those sturdy banks, which native trees and grasses do a really good job at holding together. If landholders want to get involved in helping platypus in the Hills region, they can come along and reach out to Chen to join Platypus Landcare, or they can contact their local Landcare coordinator. Platypus are at risk, and I think it's time that we started making some changes and prioritised our waterways.